Let's find out if your phone is locked to a network. 2 steps. First, in the settings, scroll down to General, tap on About, scroll all the way down until you get to IMEI. We see that I have a carrier, Kudo, so I have a cell phone plan, but am I locked to that? This is what we're going to find out. So tap and hold on the IMEI number and copy it. Make sure you remember the last 2 digits of this number because they're going to get cut off in the website we're going to use in step 2. In my case, number 6 and 7. Now go to Safari, go to Google, search for IMEI check. The one I always use is imeicheck.com. It gives you the most information for free. Has lots of ads though. This is an ad right at the top here. We want to scroll down to the IMEI check field, tap on it once, tap on it again, and then tap paste. Now we have to remove the 2 spaces. There we go. And add those 2 digits that we're supposed to remember. In my case, it was 6 and 7. And then tap on Check IMEI. And then within 30 seconds or less, we're going to know if this phone is locked to the network that we saw earlier. In my case, it's Kudo. Or we're going to know if the phone is unlocked. Here it shows SIM lock unlocked. That means that this phone does not have a carrier lock or a SIM lock, so you can take this phone, if you were to buy it used, to any carrier and buy a plan, and then that phone can be used on that carrier. This video right here shows you how to get back tons of storage space on your iPhone, potentially. So if you like storage space and you want more of it, check out this video right here. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.